Greetings, this is a video demonstration on how to use the Compliance West USA leakage current box. The leakage current box is used to measure the leakage current from a device under test. On certain standards, it requires the measurement from a point of the device to ground. In this case, we're going to connect those points from A to B on the leakage current box, and the measurement we're going to connect the voltmeter, multimeter, or oscilloscope from C to D. We're going to use a signal generator as our device under test. We're going to input a sine wave of 1 kilohertz and 6 volts RMS of amplitude. Let's turn it on. As you can see, the yellow color is our input with a 5.75 volts of amplitude, and the blue line is our output with a 4.2 volts. When you want to use this on your device, you will need to connect from A to B your device, that is from the chassis or from an exposed part of the device, to ground, or between two different parts of the device. And you're going to connect your multimeter, your oscilloscope from C to D. You can either use the cables provided with the leakage current box, or you can make your own cables. You can use the terminal blocks and use whatever you want. This concludes our video demonstration. If you have any more questions regarding our leakage current boxes, you can contact us either at our website www.compwest.com or call us by phone to the number 619-878-9696. Thank you.